Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 1, C is 10 and D is 20. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all we have bracket. But here we have to see like here we have three bracket. One is this one, other one is this one, and third one is this one. So first of all we have to solve in inner bracket which is 7 plus 3. So first of all we have to solve this one. So 7 plus 3 equals to 10 multiplied by 2 and divided by, we will write here as it is. And now then this part again I'm writing as it is because we will solve each step in one line. So 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Now move forward, step number 2, we have to solve second bracket which is this one, 10 multiplied by 2. So we will multiply these two terms. 10 multiplied by 2 equals to 20. And then again we have to write this part as it is. And here we have to give the reference 10 multiplied by 2 equals to 20. Now move forward, step number 1. We will repeat again because we have another bracket which is this one. Now we have to see like here we have one addition sign and one is division sign. So first of all, which one we will solve? So according to the rule, first of all, you have to solve the division and multiplication, and after that you have to solve the addition and subtraction. So first of all, we have to solve this one, which is 60 divided by 5. Like we have 20 divided by 60 divided by 5. So here we will solve like 5 on the 5, 5 to the 20. And then plus 8, we will write again as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 60 divided by 5 equals to 12. Now move forward. Again we have a bracket. So we have to solve this one, which is 20 divided by 20. And here we have to give the reference like 12 plus 8 equals to 20. Now we have two terms which are dividing. So we have the divide sign, 20 divided by 20. So we will divide these two terms and get the answer is 1. So the answer of the given expression is 1. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.